This is a 3D printed drone, and I'm flying it with a 3D printed remote. It's a simple design. The main chassis is a few millimeters thick and it has mounting holes for a battery, plastic PCB screws, and motors. The main flight controller is an ATmega 328, one of my favorite AVRs. Because these are very simple DC motors, no fancy ESCs are needed. We only need one MOSFET per motor. The drone uses an MPU 6050 to sense its orientation. Because I used a PID controller, I had to tune several parameters. I built an app to wirelessly tune settings, issue commands, and more. For communications, the drone has an RFM69. This is a low-power radio that's very easy to work with. You can also attach reflective markers to the drone if you want to use a global tracking system to control it. This is what I did a few years ago during my PhD, where my computer flew several drones at once. With a 9-gram, 300 mAh LiPo, the drone weighs 36 grams and flies for about 4 minutes on a charge. It's fun to fly, although I'm a terrible pilot. Thanks for watching.